back here with a new video. I'm gonna be Michael during this video, and I got this purple truck here, purple and black actually, and we're gonna try to get a Fuller in it. And then after this video, we will be uploading another video going off-roading with both of them.
If we can get it in the back.
If we can get the Fuller in the back. So here we go.
Hopefully we can, just right now. See, the truck's still there. Got my way.
I ain't no maniac. Keep going. You got this.
Alright, guys.
We got it in. Actually, our first time.
Oh, God.
Point a gun at it. Or do that. Here we go. We're just going to drive around the beach with it.
See if it stays in.
It'll stay in, probably.
If I hit a jewel. Surprisingly.
Whoa, you might want to go slow. That was coming out.
I'm just seeing if it'll come out. But
alrighty, and that did for this video. I know it was a minute and 40 some seconds, but bye.